Hello, assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, today I will teach you how to use the software DIFFRAC.EVA, how to identify the faces. Okay, first open the software, double click this software, and then you can see the software, and you can open the panel from here. Data tree panel here, data property panel here, and then data command panel here. Now you import your data from XRD from here, and then you can open the data. Okay, from the data you can see you have very high peak and a very low background. Okay, this is very high crystalline peak with multiple faces. Okay, so more than one faces. Okay, now you click search mesh from here, from data command. Okay, you can see small box here. Can adjust here. Okay, from data filter, if you don't know, you just click all of them. Okay, close, and then this is very important, you click chemical filter from here, and then you select all element in red color. Select all and then change to red color. Okay, now you select your element by click the element, change to gray color or white color. Okay, for example, I have this result. I know what I prepare in the lab, so I can choose the element from this table. For example, this sample have aluminium, oxygen, magnesium, hydrogen, zinc, calcium, and fluorine. After that, you close and then click mesh, search mesh here. Okay, now the software will suggest you the list of database is around 829 database. Okay, so you can choose one by one to make it the database go inside mesh with your pattern. You can zoom your result. Okay, you can zoom the result like this, and then you can unzoom, just click 45 degree like this. Okay, just make it small. Okay, you can adjust from here. Okay, now you click one by one using mouse, or you can use keyboard. Click down to choose which pattern is the best match with your pattern. The red line is from database, the black line in diffractogram is from your pattern. Okay, now this is very match, so the suggestion from software is zinc oxide or zinc side. Okay, so from this software you can see the ID database, you can see the quality data, you can see the formula, you can see the name, you can see the crystal lattice, you can see lattice parameter, you can see space group, you can see also the others information. Okay, So the first one very good. You can see very mesh at the center, the red line at the center of the peak, and then you can choose. If you satisfied, you can choose by click this box. Okay, zoom again. Okay, now you can choose the others because you still have unknown peak. Okay, so just choose using keyboard. Now the pattern change to blue colors. Okay, now go down a little bit. This is still same zinc side. Okay, click. Okay, now you found the second phase. Okay, second phase is fluoride. You can see here fluoride. Okay, so you can click this box. Okay, now you still have unknown peak. Okay, still have unknown peak, and then you can keep going to find by click keyboard. Okay, still same zinc side. You just focus to unknown peak. Yeah, you got the pattern. Aluminum oxide. Yeah, okay, aluminum oxide. Okay, now you got aluminum oxide. Okay, you can see very mesh here. Mesh, but little bit here, not really mesh. But you can see have the shoulder. So this is peak. Okay, so you found 3 faces now. Okay, now you can check this bar. Now you still have 1 more faces. Okay, can keep going. Oh, okay, now you have BRUKER. Okay, so click this bar. So now you have 4 faces. Okay, you have aluminum oxide. You can see here you have a zinc side, you have fluoride, you have corundum, and then you have BRUKER. Now also you can see percentage of these phases. Okay, this is how to use the software to find the phases. Okay, thank you.